What's up, everyone? Jaden here with How to Apple, and I wanted to show you that Apple did release iOS 13.1.3 today, and I wanted to show you some of the stuff that's going on, some of the bug fixes and improvements that they included in this update. Now, I think this is a crucial update for those of you that use a lot of Bluetooth, because as you can see in here, fixes issues where the Bluetooth may disconnect from certain vehicles, which I have actually been having that issue myself, but it does address incoming calls that may not ring or vibrate, fixes issue preventing opening, meeting, invite, and mail, which I don't use very often, but if some of you do, there you go. Resolves data issues within the Health app, voice memos, recordings not downloading from restored iCloud backups. So this thing actually seems like it does bring some pretty good features, or not features, but at least fixes to the iPhone, as it also has Apple Watch stuff in here pairing successfully. And yeah, like I said, definitely the Bluetooth may disconnect on certain vehicles, improve reliability of Bluetooth hearing aids. So it looks like there might have been some stuff going on with the Bluetooth that was caused within this previous iOS 13.1 that they didn't fix, but now they have that fixed. So if you use a lot of Bluetooth devices, this is what you need. As well as addresses launch performance for apps using Game Center. So of course, with the release of Apple Arcade, Game Center is starting to be used more, so this update will be crucial for anybody that plays a lot of games on Apple Arcade as well. So definitely get this update. Shouldn't really, I don't see where it lets me know exactly how big it is, but it is available in your settings app right now.
I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life, jaywalking, crosswalking, lip